Hi Dodo, hi Inday. We are heading out of St. Peter's Basilica. And here's Sean also taking a video. But it was totally worth a while. It was a really long tour, but our tour guide was really informative. It lasted about 3 to 4 hours, I think, but probably 4 hours. But it was really good. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye! Peter's Basilica. There is a galleria, food and drink stop. So we're going inside to get something to eat. Oh my gosh, they probably have a lot cheaper souvenirs here, Daddy. Oh, and the rosaries, Daddy. Okay, let's look for food first. Let's look for food. But they also have they also sell some gift shops here. Oh, the gelato. Oh, that's expensive. Yeah. Maybe skedaddle. Okay, well, we will skedaddle. We will skedaddle, Inday. Well, is this an exit? Yeah. Alright. We skedaddled. We skedaddled because it wasn't that cost friendly. It's a little expensive, so we're looking for a different place.
Roma.
Because we are always friendly with Americans. There is a McDonald's right outside the exit of St. Peter's Basilica. And some local restaurants. If you want to eat some pizza, pasta, carbonara, some local restaurants if you would like, but there's going to be more choices the farther you walk from the tourist spot, the cheaper the restaurant becomes, or the less expensive the food is. Ooh, what about this one, Inday? This looks good.
What about the one before?
What? Huh?
The one behind.
The one behind us? Well, their pizza is $12.
Or the McDonald's.
McDonald's.
The McDo.
All places. Let's look at this one.
Tisana, sopa, rice, gnocchi, tiene mucho pasta. Also pizzas. Margarita, salami is the big pizzas. Salami, margarita, anchoas, hamon melon, hamon prosciutto, champignon.
So we are going to be.
I called it this one.
Okay.
I called it this one.
Oh, you called this on that one. All right. But anyway, the name of the place. Excuse me. Well, we already know that if the restaurant or the chairs is outside, it could be very expensive, but we're here for it.
$9 for a pizza, Mom.
Yeah. Oh, it's not very expensive. We're here for it anyway. And he is our server. And what's the name of the restaurant? It's Borgo Pio 92. Yeah. Assistant server. So we ordered one pizza, actually 2 different pizzas, and then spaghetti with seafood. We are outside in this really gorgeous street of Rome near we're in the Vatican area. We just finished our Vatican tour. So we're getting ready to have dinner.
Mixed American pizza, don't
With
something
it's
different.
got squid, it's got shrimp, fish,
Eating cheese pizza.
clam.
It's romaine. Mas boy.
That's for that one.
So this is the inside of the restaurant. Not a whole lot of people eat inside the restaurant. They like the outdoors pretty much.
Top one is top one, the bottom one is bottom one.
Okay.
Gelato, what size in there? The 450 or 350? 450. She wants the 450. And then what flavor? Tiramisu and cafe.
Two of those. Two. Wait, one mine.
Give yours.
Tiramisu and cafe.
Cafe and tiramisu.
Glory.
Oh, sulit mo puti ay. Wow, that's a good
Yeah.
one.
I want the chocolato and the tiramisu.
Oh, that looks good. Next to them.
I want to get the 450 chocolato and the tiramisu, please.
Daddy, you wanna get... Mangayo lang ko na nila kay pero di na nila mahulog.
I'll finish this alright.
No, really? Yeah, I'm gonna pay cash.
It's not on me. It's back at home. Grazie.
Remember, record the flavors.
Ah, record the flavors? Oh yeah, that's it. Gelato in Roma, Italia. So how was it?
Good.
Good? Oh. Yeah.
Mother?
Oh, did you have coffee in there? I figured.
Combine it.
No, we had the tiramisu.
€4.50 for this cup. What flavor did you get, Franz?
Tiramisu and chocolate.
Tiramisu and chocolate. And Inday got cafe and tiramisu. Nam nam. Some rice. And they found Jollibee here. Daddy, the Jollibee is here. So we purchased a 48-hour for $12.50 Metro.
Who's giving me a hard time?
You can use for 48 hours pretty much. It takes you anywhere in Europe. Take the Metro anywhere in Europe, but we are here waiting for the bus. And yep. Okay. Find a spot in there. Okay. Over here, go. Yeah, right there. So we found a Jollibee right outside the Vatican yesterday after our tour in the Vatican museums. So we purchased for the following day, even though we already had dinner last night, for breakfast this morning because Filipinos, we eat rice and chicken for breakfast. But anyway, we got 8 pieces fried chicken, and then 4 rice, and then this is gravy, and then 2 french fries. 1 french fries got demolished last night already. But anyway, we purchased, we probably paid around $45 to $50 euro for everything. But anyway, that's it. Still looks good. So we're eating this for breakfast. Kilid po.